Terafab matters because it turns Musk's AI supply problem into an industrial moonshot. The claim is not just that more chips are needed, it is that existing fabs are nowhere near the scale he thinks future robotics, vehicles, and space systems will demand. The real question is whether this stays as stage rhetoric or hardens into a program. By early April, public first-party traces suggested the name had already moved beyond talk and onto a real SpaceX surface. If Terafab is real, it only makes sense inside a launch-heavy strategy. A fab aimed at orbital power or off-world compute needs absurd logistics, and that points straight at SpaceX's heavy lift stack. In the talk, Musk links chip demand to energy and orbital infrastructure. His case is that space solar stops looking exotic once the bottlenecks become land, permitting, cooling, and the sheer scale of future compute. That is the pivot in the argument. Earthbound build-out keeps inheriting terrestrial friction. Put generation and compute in orbit, and the trade shifts from utility constraints to launch cadence and hardware manufacturing. One caution here: the physical form factor is still unknown. This concept montage is only a placeholder for scale, not evidence of a published Terafab design. So, the source record is narrow but meaningful. We have public launch claims, reporting around a giant fab effort, first-party traces, and a consistent orbit and energy thesis. What we do not have yet are confirmed fab specs, ownership structure, economics, or proof that the project can bridge from terrestrial chip scarcity to space-based industry.